It is Thursday, post-Meta. Congratulations, shorts. If anyone took some lottos on that or positioned into earnings for a market reaction that was disappointment, we got it. Meta sold off very, very strongly after hours. We'll take a look at that in a minute. But for right now, you can see the result was very significant sentiment tell. Meta was one that I had sized up when we were starting to roll over. I said, this is a gorgeous short. It did bounce off the 55. It got right back into the muck. And then it delivered an earnings result, which was really better than expected.
This short clip is presented by Club. Club provides access to Samantha LaDuc and her team of professional macro and micro traders, analysts, and educators. Club is ideal for active traders, investors, and institutions who want Samantha's best-of-breed market timing calls across all asset classes and time frames like chase, swing, and trend. Get the trade before it happens. Sign up to Club now and get full access to daily live trading room with Samantha LaDuc, Slack trading desk with detailed analysis and trades, custom trade support when you need it, and much more. For more information, visit www.LaDucTrading.com/club.
So this is, as you know, $400.50 is exactly my price target. And if I show you over here, this is literally the daily. That's the hourly pre-market. We can see this 9:30. You'll see it here too. This is the weekly. And then you can see over here where if I change this to 2, it already tagged perfectly. It literally hit $399 all the way from $494. So a very, very major move in Meta based on market reaction, not results so much. Meta reported better than expected earnings. It had a 27% increase in revenue. Like, why are people buying Mag 7, the big cap, mega cap tech plays? Because they're earnings growers. They don't have assets like an Exxon, right? Or an Oxy. No. They are totally multiple expansion plays. They are forward growth, plays. They are big moat plays. They had a 27% increase in revenue. Wow. But just like Netflix, they are forecasting modest growth. And that's worrying investors. Like, they've got pie in the sky up here. Meta predicts next quarter's revenue to be between 36.5 to 39 billion. That's lower than what analysts wanted to hear. That's all. So Meta, it's going to hit 400.50 during regular trading hours. It's not a question of if, it's just when. We've definitely, 14, 15% pullback with this huge island reversal, and a lot of folks right now that are going to monetize their puts. But I would say even after we get a little bit of monetization here, some stabilization and a bounce, it will get rejected and it will fill that 400.50, probably overshoot it. So that's still my price target. That's not going to change. Yeah, I would not be surprised if folks are clamoring for the $400 put. There we go. All right, so what are they hankering for? The 400. Why? Because it's just so obvious. It's just sitting. This is the gap fill. So literally on February 1st, Meta screamed higher, and we had this gorgeous island reversal in the making. Now it's sitting here in kind of no man's land. So they are clamoring for the $400 puts. The IV is stupid high. But that's exactly where I still see we will go during regular trading hours. The only support that I can see right now is the 30-week right here. 30-week, but otherwise nothing on the daily. We're talking zero. Nvidia also should have some weakness because of what Meta said. Meta said it intends to have, X number of Nvidia chips by the end of 2024, but now they are reducing costs by using in-house chips rather than purchasing Nvidia's processors. So this is more kind of pushback to that whole forward, pulling forward of future earnings. Where would I come back in for Amazon? It is bouncing right here on the 100-day. Okay, that's short-term bullish. We get any kind of resumption higher with Google and Microsoft, and this will be right back up to the 55. But you know how I feel about this. Once we tag that 55, it's going to break. Maybe not right away like some of those lovely semiconductor plays last week, but it will. So I would not honestly be interested in Amazon again until it comes back down and retests the 50. I think that'd be a great place to go back in because 146 is key. Remember, I was really patient. I was like, not until I can get and stay above 146. And my very, very, very bullish. So did it run up all the way into 146? Yes. And then it pulled back. It did get above, and then it retested, looked like it was going to fail. And then the next week, it was good to go. Not until the middle of January. And then that makes low risk entry long. Then I'm really, really comfortable that's long. That was price target. It simply met the price target on a swing long before I expected the equity correction. So it's off the swing portfolio, but it doesn't mean I don't like this one. I just think that there's now a better level to get at. That's an evening star reversal. It's pulled back down to the 21. That's a 30-week. Definitely looks headed to 157, but it's a much better buy for a longer term swing or trend. Honestly, as long as it can stay above this 146 on the monthly close.
Subscribe to LaDuc Trading YouTube channel for more live trading room recap videos and other content.